Imagine trying to explain embarrassed with just one static picture. Yeah, not easy. Most AAC systems use static symbols. Great for words like apple or car. But what about feelings, actions, or things like under or jump over? That's where GIFs make a difference. Instead of imagining the meaning, you can see it happen, especially for things like emotions, actions, and relationships. Let me show you how easy it is to add a GIF in Avaz. Go to Menu button, then Edit option, and then tap on Add Word. Type your word, let's say embarrassed. Tap on Change Picture. Now, I don't just want any GIF. I want a specific one from Inside Out. So I simply type Inside Out Embarrassed in the search bar. And just like that, I find exactly what I was looking for. Once I select the GIF, I can control how many times it plays. See this GIF loop count option? I can increase or decrease it. So instead of it looping again and again, I'll set it to play just twice. That way, the action is clear, but not distracting. And the best part? You never leave the app. No downloads, no editing. Everything happens right here in Avaz. Now, when the user taps the button, the GIF comes alive. It plays, shows the emotion, and makes the meaning instantly clear. But in the grid, it stays still. That's intentional, because too much movement equals distraction. Keeping it static helps users stay focused, find words faster, and feel less overwhelmed. So the GIF only animates when you tap it. That way, motion becomes meaningful, not noise. GIFs don't replace symbols. They complete them. They bring actions, emotions, and meaning to life. In Avaz, your words don't just sit there. They move, feel, and communicate.